Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12T Pro, and today I will show you how we can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, and on one of the pages you should be able to see power saving mode. So it's right over here. It's called exactly battery saver. Once you find it, simply press on it. As you can see, it did dim the display's brightness just a tiny bit, so that's one of the things that will happen. Number two, probably the most visible one, would be the refresh rate of the device will be switched from 144, I believe it's here, to 60. So this might look really just choppy to you if you were running always at 144, so that's something to get used to. And additionally, there are things that will be happening in the background, like Wi-Fi and mobile data will be disabled when the device is in sleep mode. This would be considered sleep mode, just so you know. So if you're not receiving any kind of notifications from apps that require internet connection, like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, and so on, that's basically the reason. Anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by finding the toggle once more, tapping on it, and there you go. Everything should flip back to its original state. So again, we have now smooth 144 Hz refresh rate and all that stuff. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.